Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the Goblin Battle Standard, the only guaranteed way to force the Goblin army. Once done, pick daytime and stand on an open surface. Make sure to clear trees and blocks around you so enemies can path correctly. Equip ranged weapons, healing potions, and crowd control accessories before you activate the item. Do not waste time preparing redundant things. Focus on mobility, line of sight, and a safe spot to kite the mobs while the waves begin. Once the standard is used, waves will spawn progressively stronger. Keep moving and use platforms to control engagement distance. Make sure to kite so groups funnel past your choke points. Focus fire. Eliminate ranged support and summoners first so you reduce incoming damage, then handle elite melee. Use bombs, traps, and summons strategically to thin crowds while you heal when necessary. Remember why. Controlling pathing and priority targets reduces downtime and prevents being overwhelmed, which is the core. To finish, concentrate DPS on last elites and protect yourself from residual adds. Once defeated, loot the ground for banners, weapons, and tech drops. Make sure to patrol the area to collect everything before it despawns. If you need the event again, you can repeat the standard use after cooldowns. If nothing spawns, troubleshoot by confirming it is daytime, you are in a valid biome, no other invasion or boss is active, and that the Goblin Battle Standard is in your inventory. Fix any one of those and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.